a round of applause, people.
Yay!
You are here because you are the best of the best. The cream of the crop, the top of the... Shall I go on? I think I will. You are motherfucking rock stars. Oh, shit. Did I just curse? Yeah, fucking right I did. I can curse. I do and say anything I want. You know why? Because I earned it. And I earned it. Every day and night, I'm in the trenches fighting the fight, just like all of you. Now, once you graduate our world-renowned onboarding and advertising sales program, this is your opportunity to graduate from mediocrity to greatness. Now, good for you for taking the first step. And congratulations on being selected by our talent recruiters. You know, they were sales producers once, just like all of you, so they know a rock star when they see one. Now, some of you may be wondering why I took off my shoes. And for those of you who aren't, I don't care, I'm going to tell my story anyway. And no, this ain't no Glenn Gary, Glenn Ross, Alec Baldwin insulting motivator speech. I know you all saw that movie. All good salespeople have seen that movie. Yeah. I wouldn't waste your time with that bullshit. This is a true story. This is my story. My name is Sebastian Waters, and I, along with your mega mentors, am your guide to greatness. Are you still with me?
Yeah.
I said, are you still with me?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. I'm glad that you are still with me. That's important, okay? Now, this is a true story, as I said. This is my story. Sebastian Waters. When Matthias and Brotha first hired me 16 years ago, and I sat right where you're sitting, being told the same things you were being told, I had nothing. My wife of 5 years left me, taking with her my 2-year-old son, Trevor. And my house, it wasn't much, a 2-bedroom condo really, but it was home. And it was taken away. Sad story, right? Well, let me tell you why the bitch left. I was working with unions. Now, listen to my old man. You know, father doesn't always know best, who bragged about working the dock workers union in Newark for 22 years. He said, son, the union takes care of me. I'll retire with a health pension and benefits for life. So the final year of my father's employment on the docks, I took an apprentice job, making $13 an hour. Yay! The following year, Pop retired with a bleeding ulcer. He retired with sciatica and an undiagnosed heart condition. Too busy to go to the doctor. He was dead within 3 months. No need for health insurance and the tiny monthly checks that his monthly annuity and Social Security and his pension and benefits would pay out. So I bought those shoes to go to his funeral. My wife and my son at my side. The next day, my bride announced that even though she was really sorry about what happened to my dad, she couldn't do this anymore. Couldn't be married to a loser anymore. So she took my boy and our little condo, our home. Well, I immediately started to make some calls, and I was able to land an interview with this very company. I interviewed in those shoes. The same shoes I wore when I buried the only person left in this cruel world who loved me for what I was. You know what? I got the job. Within 18 months, I became a top producer. 5-figure monthly checks became 6-figure monthly checks. 6 figures. No, needless to say, I regained custody of my son, who now attends a prestigious Manhattan high school and visits his mother on the weekends. The same little condo that she ripped away from me when I needed her most. To hold me, give me her hand. Fuck her. So now today, I stand before you, Vice President of International Marketing, millions of dollars in the bank, houses in the Hamptons, San Diego, Miami, and Tuscany. Exotic cars, a yacht, private jet, everything I ever dreamed of. All the material pleasures of a successful advertising sales producer. They took away my wife, took away my father. But no one will ever take away shoes. Are you ready to make some money? I said, are you ready to make some money?
Yeah.
Good. We've assigned a mentor to each of you, as you know, whom you met on your first day 1 week ago today. These people are the best of the best. Ask them questions. Watch them produce. They are here for you. My door is always open. Come see me. Welcome to Matthias and Brotha.
When's he gonna stop with that fucking shoe store?
Why would he? It's effective.
It's stupid is what it is.
Just like you.
I mean, you want to impress new recruits. Tell them you bought a penile implant or anal beads or
You're
some
such
shit.
a pig.
You would know.
Yeah, about that.
What?
That's not gonna happen again.
That's what you said 6 romps ago.
Those were booty calls.
Booty calls? What do you think I am, a piece of meat?
Yeah, that meat is the only thing you got going for you.
Oh, my meat and I thank you. Come on, face it. You can't resist the Chet style.
You really need to stop with that shit.
Come on, how about we get us a nooner at the plaza?
Forget
Same
it.
room as the other time? Come on, we'll paint the walls with our bodily fluids.
You have fucking problems.
What, the big German dude back in town?
What?
The German dude, you know, the one that looked like Liam Neeson on steroids.
Are you talking about Gunther?
Gunther, that's it. What's he got that I don't?
Morals. Besides, why are you talking about Gunther?
I just want to know who I'm competing with for your affection.
Affection? Oh, please. You just want to get laid. And when I want to get laid again,
Again,
I will let you know. And Gunther, like you and anyone else I take to bed, are just distractions.
yeah. Distractions.
Yes, that's right. Some women take yoga or Pilates to unwind from a long, hard week at work.
Uh-huh.
And I like to get laid, just like you and every other human being. Only, of course, most other women would never admit to it because it's not socially acceptable when we say it out loud. Fuck that. And don't give me that affection bullshit.
So, you won't go steady with me?
You're such an asshole.
Asshole. Anal?
Oh, please. Besides, I have to go meet with my trainee, Andrew, to discuss his business plan.
Now, wait, what? Are you fucking Andrew?
What?
Andrew, are you fucking him?
Don't be stupid. He's married.
Oh, yeah, 'cause you care about that. Because the first time you and I
Watch it.
played hide the chocolate salami,
Oh, you're so romantic.
we were both still married.
This is different.
Different? How?
I see potential in him.
Potential?
Yes, if I mold him the right way, he could be a top producer
Wait.
and...
Are you in love?
What?
Oh my God, you are in love with Andrew the trainee.
You're an idiot.
Oh my God.
Look out.
You workplace cougar.
Not everyone does everything for sex.
Not everyone does everything for things. So you are in love with Andrew the trainee.
You're an idiot. Besides, I saw your trainee. What's her name?
You're jealous.
You really need to get over yourself. You know, tell me you haven't at least tried to fuck her.
Her name is Tasha, and I would fuck her in front of my last ex-wife with the other 2 pushing.
You know, no wonder why you've been married 3 times. And so, Tasha, she's a stripper.
You, my God, you are so jealous.
Not at all.
Yeah, you are. Tell you what do you say the 4 of us get together at the plaza for a noon? 4-way, trading, mentor swap. Just on crossing swords with Andrew. Can I get a what? Oh, do you want to ask or should I?
Don't be an ass.
Hi, Chet.
Hey, Hey, Tasha, how are you?
Great. That Sebastian is so great. He really inspires me to get out there and sell.
Yeah, he's, wow.
Oh, forgive my friend, he's a little lacking in manners. I'm Carly Schwartz.
I know who you are. Part of our training program is discussing the SoCal deal you closed in 2011. Hitting all 7 steps of the sales process. Textbook. I mean, wow. You're just brilliant and an inspiration to women reps. I mean, I'm talking down.
So nice of you to say that.
I told you she was something, right? Well, I said, not only is my mentor a badass, but she's humble and gorgeous. I'm sorry if that makes you uncomfortable, but you are a goddess to me. I just have to say it.
Oh, wow.
Amanda Bowman, you are Chet Zola.
I am.
Okay. Although you may be lacking in manners, as my gorgeous mentor says, you certainly are lacking in sales skills, mister. In addition to college so-called deal, we've been studying the genius behind the 2013 Hudson Valley Electric deal. Woo! I mean, you are the bomb, sir.
I got lucky.
Oh, no. You followed the steps by the book, all 7 of them, and boom, closed. If I can do half of what you do around here, I could retire.
Yeah, well, I don't know about retire, but I do like this year's trainee class. You are great for my ego.
I like it.
Yeah, so, Chet and I would like to take you out to lunch if you are available.
Hello? Of course we'll join you for lunch.
Great, I'll go get my purse.
Oh, hey, don't leave me here with the children of the corn here.
Oh, man.
Oh my God! I told you, he is so funny. Didn't I tell you?
He's funny. You are funny.
I told you.
Yes, I'm wonderful.
On that note,
Oh, no! Thomas! What are you doing?
I don't know.
Whoa. Hey.
Guys, up!
Relax, just
Is it
chill.
him? Is it him? Is it Mr. Chill? Huh?
Who?
You know who? The boy you sent those pictures to.
Oh, boy.
Shut up! Is it him?
With me? Wait, no, I'm no one.
you can say that again.
Really? Because my numbers were way better than yours last time.
Shut up!
Thomas, put the gun down.
No.
Wait. Who is this guy?
I'm Tom.
Oh, yeah. I got that part.
Did you let go of my neck, Thomas?
I'm sorry, I don't want to hurt anyone.
Yeah, so let go of my neck. We could talk this out.
There she goes, always showing off her negotiating skills.
Hey, but why don't you just, let Carly go and...
No! You do not tell me what to do!
Cool! Just cool, okay?
Please, Thomas.
Is it
What
him?
is this about?
Is it him?
I'm sorry, he's found some pictures on my phone.
Pictures?
Yes,
What kind of pictures?
very bad pictures.
Nudies? What?
Stop it! Tell me about the pictures.
Okay, so I sent some naked pictures on my phone.
Birthday suit?
Whoa, hold on. Are you two married?
We were.
Don't say that, Tasha!
Thomas! We were young. We've been divorced for 5 years.
So why does he have access to your text messages?
No, he doesn't. Do you, Thomas?
No?
Do you, Thomas?
No?
Yeah, he broke into my apartment when I was sleeping last night.
Creepy!
Does he do that often?
About once a week.
Oh, wow. There's a whole lot going on up in here.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Thomas and Tasha sounds like a brand of cookies. Shut up, you! Hey, all right, you got it. Damn.
That's great, but could you let go of my neck?
Thomas, you love the idea of us, what we were 10 years ago. You were the star QB, and I was captain of the cheering squad, and it made sense.
Cheering squad? You got any pictures of that?
Now life has taken us on different journeys, okay? So me, it brought me here to Matthias and Brotha, you
To the loony bin.
brought you here as well for closure.
I don't want closure. Do you understand? I just want you. Don't you understand that?
I do, and I will always love you, but
I sense a song coming on.
can't be with you anymore.
Why? Why? Stop! Tell me who it is! Who it is? Is it him? Is it him?
What difference does it make?
Suggestion? Why don't you just tell the man what he wants to know?
Never thought I'd say this, but how could I have to agree with Chet?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anal.
Shut up.
No, why won't you just tell me who it is?
Because it doesn't matter. Thomas, oh God, it doesn't matter. What matters is I've moved on and you need to do the same.
So hard, Tasha.
I know, baby.
Why don't you just let Carly go, buddy? She didn't do anything to you.
Yeah,
Please.
Please, let me go. You're choking me.
Okay, but now?
Now you make yourself right, Thomas.
Wow.
By letting me go.
And me, please.
Hey, wait, what? No hug for me? Oh, that was mature.
Thomas,
Yeah.
I want to tell you who he is.
Yeah.
What?
What?
Man, white girls be bugged.
Yes.
Why?
Look, I've never lied to Thomas. I don't want to start now.
But yeah, he's holding a gun.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
Okay, shoot, then fire away. Not you, Thomas.
Okay. Tell me. Who is it?
Oh, Tosh, wait, man. That's different.
Okay. You?
Me?
Him?
Yes! I love Sebastian Waters and I accept him for who he really is.
Ain't that some shit?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna fucking kill you!
No!
I can't because I am fucking my wife!
Fucking her?
Yes!
Is that what all this is about?
Yes!
I'm not fucking Tasha.
You're not?
You. Put the gun down.
Why?
Put the gun down.
But he...
You know that if this man isn't dangerous, no, he's no more dangerous than any of us. He's one of us. You're one of us, boy. A lost soul. A man in need of a hand.
What the fuck are you talking about?
What's your name?
Thomas.
Thomas. That's a good Christian name.
Oh, you were a Jew.
Christian? I'm not a Jew. What I am is a believer. You know what I believe in. People. Closing. I close. I'm going to do the same thing for you, Thomas. What is this, church? I'm going to do the same thing for that closer. That's what, you know what that is? That means what I get, it means I get what I want. That's what it means. My close ratio is 99.9%. The 0.1%, corpses. They don't count. I get what I want. I close the deal with Tasha, what, 6, 7 times in an hour, babe. Shit. I closed the deal with you, didn't I? I'm going to do the same thing with you. Same thing with you, Tasha.
You are?
You
So
are.
you know why?
Why?
You know why? Because I love you.
I'm good news.
What are you doing?
I'm closing, Carly. I'm closing. Are you ready to be saved? Saved, that's right. Saved, saved. There, Thomas. There. Sebastian's here for you. I'm here for you. There. You need to spoon. girl.
You are the closer.
Woo! You make me happy. I love that shit.
Would now be a good time to ask for a raise?
I want to tell you a story. Oh, about my shoes.